Are you ready to unlock the secrets behind a Redfin lead agent's paycheck and see if this real estate career path is the golden ticket you've been searching for? Let's break down the compensation structure for Redfin lead agents, starting with the base salary, which typically ranges from $60,000 to $80,000 per year, depending on location and experience. Now, let's talk about bonuses. The real game-changer: Redfin lead agents earn bonuses based on closed transactions, client satisfaction scores, and team performance. The potential here is uncapped, with top agents earning tens of thousands of dollars in bonuses annually. Beyond the base and bonuses, Redfin offers a comprehensive benefits package. Think health insurance, paid time off, stock options, and even opportunities for professional development. This can easily add thousands of dollars to your overall compensation. The earning potential as a Redfin lead agent is substantial, with many experienced agents exceeding $100,000 per year and high-performing agents reaching significantly higher figures. Consider if the fast-paced environment, tech-driven approach, and team-oriented culture of Redfin align with your career aspirations. If so, the financial rewards can be well worth it. So, is a Redfin lead agent role the right fit for you? Carefully weigh the compensation structure against your skills, experience, and career goals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate career insights.